Hi guys! In today's video, we'll show how to build a neat and engaging call to action section using only native Gutenberg blocks, which are free. Here you can see some examples of sections which we can totally reproduce with Gutenberg blocks. Now returning to Gutenberg. Let's add a cover block and add a heading in it. You can add as many blocks as you want inside the cover block. I add a new paragraph and then add a new button right after it. To create some negative space between the content elements and set a padding, I use the spacer block. OK, now let's make our section full width and play around with its background. First, you can use a solid color as a background to create a minimalistic design, and that's OK. The other way to make the section more engaging is to use gradient background. Use the controls for the color picker to make the colors blend better. You can also change the angle of the gradient if you wish, and change the gradient type. Another approach is to set a background image for the cover block. You can pick one from the media library and still keep the gradient overlay or a solid color overlay to make text stand out against the image. You can also upload a video file to make a video background. Let's change the overlay color opacity settings once again. If you need several sections, you can create another one with an image background using cover block. Here I add a title and some text stylization and peak alignment. Then I add a new text paragraph. This time my block will stay boxed. Let's see the difference between these two layouts on front end. OK, now you know the way to build a really simple yet cool call to action area. Wait for more videos to come out to explore more things you can do with just plain Gutenberg blocks. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our video. Bye!